All right, so in this video, I'm going to give you a quick introduction to Merchant Center and what your feed should look like now. So in the beginning of this course, I told you to go ahead and sync your products to Merchant Center. So they would have come up pending for a while. It could take up to like 6 or 7 business days. But now, ideally what you should see when you go to home in Google Merchant Center is a big fat green space here, right? And that means the products have been approved. So you should be seeing a green space. And if you look closely, like down here, you can also see some like red space down here. Usually like what happens is like Google Merchant Center will automatically disapprove some of your products. That's normal, but you should aim to have over 90% of products approved. If you see here, we've got active 1,520 products and disapproved is 127. So there's not actually 1,520 products. Sorry, there's not actually 10,520 products in my store. There's about, I think it's about 300 or 400 on this particular store where I'm not actively running Google Shopping right now. The reason that there's so many more products active than what I actually have on my store is because we're syncing product variants, right? So if there's one product that gets synced into Merchant Center and it has 10 variants in Merchant Center, that counts as like 10 products, right? So that's why you're seeing a lot of active products. So if we go to diagnostics, we can see I'm actually running like I was running multiple country feeds here. But if we see some of the on item issues, we can see that some of our products have been reviewed because they're violation of shopping ads policies. So if we view the sample, it will just basically tell us what's wrong with the product. And then you'll get some like random errors about unavailable desktop landing page. I wouldn't worry too much about all these errors here. Here you can see the percentage of products affected. So all of these is like under 1% or just under 2%. So that's fine. I'd start to worry if you had like over 10% of products disapproved, right? So we've got 1% of disapproved products. So we go to feed issues. There's no issues with your feed and no issues with the account. Cool, so let's go into list. So in list here, you can see all of the products that are running currently or that are approved for Google Shopping. In the status, you can see if they're approved for Google Shopping. I was also running some dynamic remarketing as well. So don't worry about that just yet. All right, cool. So if you've got disapproved products or if you've got like a warning or even if it comes up merchant account suspended, don't worry too much because you can easily get it unsuspended. You just got to give them a call. So if you've got lots of disapproved items, what I suggest doing, right, is going into your AdWords account, clicking this here, and there should be a number here, and just call that number and speak to a Google support rep. Usually the wait time is like a minute. They've got really good support and they've got a lot of reps to help you out. So if you ever get stuck getting products approved in Merchant Center or something, give them a call and they will resolve it. And this is a worldwide phone number as well, so it doesn't matter what country you're in, you can call it. All right, cool. So in the next video, I'm going to show you the AdWords interface.